Hello! Today I want to demonstrate a tropical dolphin mask featuring DFX Neon Sun. I'm going to use my 1-inch flat brush and load this beautiful color on that brush. To begin, I'm going to sweep a rainbow shape right between my eyes. Then I'm going to sweep it right across my eyebrows to the corner of my eye. Next, I'm going to place a little C-stroke right at the corner of my eyes. Now, often with the neon colors, you will have to reload your brush and go over them to brighten them. And I'm going to sweep right underneath my eyes. Again, I'm just going to go right over what I did just to brighten everything up. While my paint is dry, I'm going to grab my iridescent glitter and just sprinkle a little bit on for a magical look. Next, I'm going to grab my Diva Dolphin stencil, my finger dauber, spray it a little bit with water, and then put it in my Wolf Black. I'm going to get that loaded up, stencil on, and pat it on. You want to make sure your paint is not too wet, so that way it lays nicely. Next, I'm going to grab some star stencils. Finger dauber, fresh, water, wolf white. I'm going to lay the stars right over that arch of my eyebrows to add some magic. Then I'm going to grab my Flora brush, wolf white. I'm going to load that up. Next, I'm going to take some fuchsia pink and load up just the tip of that brush. Then a little bit global blue, and the very tip, you'll see it's triple loaded. I'm going to place this pretty flower right underneath the dolphin, and I'm going to go across the arch of my eyebrows. Then I'm going to take the corner of my eye and lay a 3-petal flower. Now often with going over these neon colors, you may have to read your Flora brush again with the white, pink, and then a little tip of the global blue. Be careful, you do not need much of this blue. And I think I'm going to go over a few more flowers to brighten those up. Then I'm going to grab my number 3 round and my wolf white, load that well, and we're going to do a few teardrops. First, I'm going to begin with a good sized teardrop and connect it down 2 more. Same thing with the other side. Good sized teardrop, bring it down, and 2 more. Then we're going to fill in that area right above the dolphin, squeeze it in there, and I'm going to put 3 teardrops. Then I'm going to grab my number 5 round brush, my wolf white, load that up, and we're going to add some pretty dots to those flowers, just as filler. I see a little bit empty space there. So again, I'm going to grab my number 3 round and a little bit white, add a few more teardrops to fill in that area. And then I'm just going to go over the teardrops I already did, just again to brighten them up and add interest. And there you go. I hope you enjoyed this special design. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. Have a wonderful day.